kiss that person. And I didn't even think that they were in your caliber. But anyways, desperation will make people do unruly things. Yes, and I hope you find this. And Minangizok, oh, now that's the difference. I don't know how you could have comprehended, but I kind of do understand that money was involved and that was your payout. And then you decided, oh, okay, I'm going to do this. But Musa Ukfunuguti, all of us need to die for Amagala Ako. That is wrong. I'm just going to tell you. So I sat there with this woman yesterday who kept not wanting to own anything that she ever did, anything that she ever said. Instead, Uzofagana, no ghost lady. Of which, I would call a ghost lady professional because she is working. I even said, ghost lady, she's meant to provoke those types of feelings. It's TV. It sells. It is what it is. Uzofago umuntu ongahlangene with anything, because when you fail to just say ukuthi no mina thande angikufuni because A, B, C, and D, and then it die on your hill, and it's fine, it's okay, ne? So you sit there and say I'm not reliable, and again, why ulambele my life so badly, like to know about my life? I don't get it. I've never seen somebody being crucified because they do not want to share their private life. Why must I share my private life with you? I'll tell you why you wanted that. You want something that you can use against somebody. You are the type of friend where people tell you something, then you're going to sit there and be like, oh, you know what? You came crying to me. You came this to me. I supported you as a friend. You're that type of a person. You've never had any sort of somebody came to you. Yeah, perhaps I don't know your friendships, but I can assume. Right now, let me assume. I can assume, you're the type of person that wants to use things against other people. And sadly, that's not what you got from Muthandek. Sadly. Because you know why? I decided a long time ago what should be known about me and what should not be known about me. And I decided a long time ago as a young person to grow and make better decisions and not allow anybody to make decisions for me. Whether it was trending, whether it is something that was the in thing. And at that time, the in thing was what you were doing, which is fine. And it's okay. Okay? No one is judging you for Leonto Leo, but I'm going to come for you now and say something about you that you know more. Sis, and you're spineless. And the fact I think you're spineless. I think if you had the guts, you could have just confronted me. I think you could have asked me whatever it is that you wanted to ask me, because I can see Uti line of questioning that you really wanted to ask was one where you are going on and calling me a liar. And you're hoping that I live the same life that you lived so that you can feel better and say, I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one who got screwed for money. That's what you wanted. Sadly, we don't all live the same life. We don't. You're gonna, and it's sad. And I then find out all these outrageous things. Who are you to say that I don't like women? The things that you say about another woman, I'm not even gonna say that one. It was outrageous that you could have said that thing that you said about another woman's features. And I found it disgusting. It's disgusting that you could have said that. Why would you say that? And it wasn't even in that context. And then when umuntu compare enyinto, when you decided ukuthi you just gonna go for this person because you're an opportunist. You wanted to go for that poor woman. And then you want to sit here and tell us that we don't like women. You don't like women. And from the way, Futi, when we're sitting there, you can clearly tell the mic is on the side. In a way, it's kind of like we're being paired. I'm being paired with the guy because the mic is on this side. But I make it a conscious decision to always remember, as bad as I am with my mic, when the only way you know that a woman could have made it is using the down below. That's all that exists. It says more about you than anybody else, rather than just for you to let other women just exist. Because when I went, I'm a potako, because you, again, same thing, because it seems to follow you throughout life. You got these two people right? Adults on the podcast, the girl with the tattoos and the guy. You got two of them, and they seem to be wanting to follow you, ne? Because when the only thing you ever structure is having minions to follow you, because you yourself were once a minion. The reason you ended up having to go to usantuze to get where you were is because the slay queen thing and giving up booty was a thing at the time, and that's how women were making it. And it got you so quickly you couldn't even have had a choice. Ne? And nakhona ngisakhulumela when I'm saying that. But it got you so quickly you couldn't even have had a choice to say, is this really what I want to do? Or is it one day going to affect me personally within myself? Forget about what other people might think. You need to be comfortable with your own decisions about when, how do you feel about them? And clearly you are not. And that, again, I'm going to explain what jealousy is. Jealousy is when you see your life's evictions or the things that you wish you embodied in somebody else. So I guess no more, all of us. But it depends on what do you do with your jealousy. Does this jealousy when you see somebody, I've seen educated women when I was growing up and I was like, oh my God, I wish I was like them. I've seen women who are making it and I was a young girl and there used to be like it's human nature. It's supposed to, it's a driving force. It depends on what you choose to do with it, ne? And when instead, ngomona wako, ukuthi thina, we do not have videos of ourselves. I don't know where you were sitting with this person, but I don't have a video of doing somebody. I couldn't even comprehend how you could even, I don't know, kiss that person. And I didn't even think that they were in your caliber. But anyways, desperation will make people do unruly things. Yes, and I hope you find this.